Welcome everyone. We're standing here today at the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Bremen, organized by Transglobal Events. My name is Johan Wiebe from the Hydrogen Standard, and with me here today is Lucrezia Morabito from Comau. Did I say that correctly, Chris?
Perfect. Yeah. Perfect.
Fantastic, welcome.
Thank you.
Great. So, Lucrezia, tell us a little bit about Comau.
Yeah, allora, first of all, I said, Lucrezia Morabito, I'm Product and Solution Manager for Comau, in particular for the solution that we have for hydrogen automation, but not only, also for solar and renewable energies. Comau is a leading company in the industrial automation field. We was founded 50 years ago, so this year is our anniversary. As said, we are system integrator. Okay, so we provide automation for companies of all sizes. So we help this type of companies to leverage the full potential of automation. First of all, with our engineering services, but also with our complete family of robots that go from articulated, SCARA, and cobots.
Okay, thank you. You did a presentation today, track number 3, I've been told. And what was that about?
Yeah, exactly. I had a speech today, track number 3 for fuel cell development and manufacturing. The speech title was Design for Automation in Next Gen Fuel Cell. As said, we are an automation company, so in our mind the future of fuel cell lie in the automation, because we need to reduce costs to really adopt large-scale production of fuel cell, and so the adoption of this type of mobility. So I've talked about that, about the fact that it's really crucial to have a design for automation, because at the beginning manufacturer has to think, okay, my product will be produced by a robot, by automation equipment. So it's important, for example, to add gripping point, to add position clamp that can be very useful for then automate their production line. So think the process and the product, having clear in mind that will be done by automation equipment.
This automation equipment, the technology, is often used in the manufacturing of automotive. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly, because our DNA is in automotive, so now the idea is to transfer all the experiences we have done in automotive into the fuel cell manufacturing, because up to now we have reached a really high scale production in automotive, so the idea to transfer this high speed, high automation also for fuel cell, to increase the adoption and to arrive at the same level.
Maybe you can walk us through then the sort of fuel cell adoption in the transport industry. What is sort of the prospects? What is your view?
Yeah, okay. As said, hydrogen can be really a crucial alternative for internal combustion engine, so a really useful instrument to decarbonize transportation sector. For sure there are different opinions if fuel cell will be the future, if batteries will be the future, if light duty or heavy duty trucks or naval will be the most promising sector for fuel cell. I think in time we will see the definite application for each type of mobility. For sure, for truck and for naval and for heavy duty transportation, fuel cell is really an alternative. For light duty, battery has an important role. So let's see if hydrogen will reach the same level of adoption as batteries.
Interesting points, often widely discussed, the batteries versus or as complement to a hydrogen use in mobility. What do you make of that?
I think they are in parallel. They will go in parallel. There will be application for batteries and there will be application for fuel cell, but both will contribute to a new type of sustainable and green mobility.
Okay, going a little bit upstream then, from fuel cell to also the electrolyzer side of things. Does your business, the technology that you offer, also focus on that part of the value chain?
Yeah, exactly, because electrolyzer and fuel cell in the manufacturing process are really similar. There are some differences in weight, for example, the components in the balance of plant, but more or less the stacking procedure, for example, is very similar. So we are trying to do some synergies between fuel cell and electrolyzers to help both manufacturing companies to scale up their production.
Synergies, oh, I like that. Tell us about those.
The fact that we can use the same technologies, the same gripping system with different dimensions, but inside the same technology. Because I want to underline that our idea of automation is flexible and modular automation. And this is the key. To doing this type of synergies, we need modular automation that can be used for fuel cell up to electrolyzers.
So a modular approach, does that also include the flexibility to manufacture or assemble or use an automation process remotely on site where, for example, the equipment is going to be used, or does that have to be concentrated on one site only?
I think they have to be concentrated on one side. Our modular concept relies on the fact that in the same production line we can produce different models and different type of object, from fuel cell to electrolyzer, from small fuel cell to big fuel cells for different application with the same archetype of automation.
Great, thank you. Lucrezia, finally then, what is your experience of the event? Do you like it so far?
Yeah, I liked it so much. It's really a great experience. There are lots of players through all the value chain of the adherence, so a good opportunity for us to say, yeah, we are here, we are the automation company you need, but also to meet competitor and possible partners.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Lucrezia, from Comau.